Good morning. Today we are going to study about the calculation of bytes, how the bytes will be calculated. So first of all, the first calculate the power of 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, like 2, 4, 8, 16, 13 respectively. To the power 1 2, to the power 2 4, to the power 3 8, to the power 4 16, to the power 5 32 respectively. The power of 2 should be the nearest the number of teams from where we can subtract the number of teams, because y is equal to the power n minus n. The small n we can take instead of this small n x, sometimes it is taken x. So either it is n small n or x small x. It is only the number of rounds where the capital N equal to number of teams and small n equal to 1, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or any number to calculate the nearest to the power. So method of fixing by. So first by is given to the last team of lower half. In previous video, as we know that we have to make two halves, so of the number of teams, then first by is given to the last team of the lower half, second by is given to the first team of upper half, third by is given to the first team of lower half, fourth by is given last team of upper half, and so on. The same sequence of distributing the by will be in the fixer. Then a knockout fixer of 12 teams. This is 12 is even number of teams. So number of team n equal to 12. Total number of matches we will calculate as the formula we know, n minus 1 equal to 12 minus 1 11. Then number of teams in upper half, n upon 2, because even number, so then 12 upon 2 equal to 6. Number of teams in lower half, again n upon 2, 12 upon 2 equal to 6. Then bytes equal to the power x minus n or to the power n minus n. The both formula are same. So now we will calculate the to the power. To the power 1 equal to always 2. So to the power 2 we are taking, then 2 into 2 equal to 4, where x equal to 2. To the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8, where x equal to 3. Then we can take to the power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 16, where x equal to 4. So now bytes equal to the power x minus n. So total number of bytes are 16. To the power is to the power 4 is 16 minus n capital N, that is the number of team, equal to 12. So total number of bytes are 4. 4 bytes will be given. Number of bytes in upper half, number of bytes upon 2 equal to 2. 4 upon 2 equal to 2, because the even number of bytes are there. So again the formula will be number of bytes upon 2 for upper half, and for lower half number of bytes upon 2, and then 4 upon 2 equal to 2. Then we come to the example 1. Number of teams 12, number of matches 12 minus 1 equal to 11. Number of teams in upper half and lower half will be equal, that we have calculated, because the even number of teams, number of byes to the power 4 minus 12 equal to 16, equal to number of byes will be 16 minus 12 equal to 4. So number of rounds are also 4, because to the power 4 is this, and n equal to 4. So now the fixer, how we can make, so total number of teams are 12. We are dividing it by this center line. We can see we have divided the teams in two halves, so 6 teams in upper half, 6 teams in lower half, upper half and lower half. So now distribution of byes, 4 byes are there, so first bye will be given at the bottom team, second bye will be given at the top team, top team of the upper half, third bye will be given the first team of the lower half, and fourth bye will be given last team of the upper half. Then first round of matches we can see, then the teams are getting bye, so one is getting bye, so first round of matches 2 versus 3, then 4 versus 5, then 8 versus 9, and 10 versus 11. Then the winner from first rounds will play with the in the second round with the teams who got bye in first round. So the winner from here is playing against the team number 1. So this match is there. Then another match of the second round is the winner from here is playing against the 6. Then the winner of the 7 and 8 and 9 is playing with 7, and then winner from the 10 and 11 is playing versus 12. So there are 4 matches in the second round. Then we can see, then there are the 4 matches are there, so 4 winners will be there. So then the winner from here is playing with this one, the winner from here is playing the winner with this group. So now upper half and lower half are meeting only in the final. Then we can see the winner from here is playing here, winner is here. So these both winners are competing with each other or playing against each other in the final only. So the final match is there, then the winner is there. So these are the numbers in rounds we can see. So these numbers are the number of matches. So we can see first round matches, 1 match, 2 match, 3 match, 4 match, and 5th match is here, 6th is here, 7th is here, 8th match is here, 9th is here, 10th is here, and 11. Total number of matches are 11. This we have calculated here. And knockout fixer for 13 teams, odd number. Now we can see how we can make the fixer here. So number of teams n equal to 13, total number of matches n minus 1 equal to 13 minus 1 equal to 12. Number of teams in upper half equal to, the formula is changed now, n plus 1 upon 2 equal to 13 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 7. Number of teams in lower half, then n minus 1 upon 2, so equal to 13 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 6. So again the formula is same, y is equal to the power x minus n, or y is equal to the power n minus n. So to the power 2 equal to 4, where we can calculate now. To the power 1 is always 2, so to the power 2, so 2 into 2 equal to 4, where x equal to 2. Then we can see to the power 3, so 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8, where x equal to 3. So to the power 4 we can see, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 16, where x equal to 4. So now y is to the power x minus n. we can calculate here. So to the power x is 16, to the power 4 equal to 16. Total number of y is 16 minus 13 equal to 3 y's. So the y's we have calculated. So number of y's in upper half, because the y's are again in odd number, so we can see how we can calculate. So upper half nb minus 1 upon 2 equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2, so 1 by. Number of y's in lower half equal to nb plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2. So we can see the number of teams are always larger in upper half and number of byes are less in upper half. Number of byes in number of byes are more in lower half, but number of teams are less in lower half. So this we have to keep in mind. Then we go to the total number of rounds. So because x is 4, so we can see then to the power 4, so then total number of rounds are 4. In this example we can see number of teams are 13, so number of matches are 13 minus 1, 12. Upper half teams are 7, 13 plus 1 upon 2, 7. Lower half teams are 13 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 6. Total number of byes to the power 4 minus 13 equal to 3. This we have calculated. Number of rounds are 4. So now how we can make fixer? First divide the teams in two halves, upper half and lower half. So upper half we have 7 teams, because by the formula we have calculated the number of teams in upper half. So upper half 7 teams and lower half 6 teams we have. So first get the y's. There are 3 y's we have to distribute. So first y is given at the bottom team. Second y we have given to the first team of the upper half. Third y is given to the first team of lower half. So 3 y's are distributed. Now the matches we can see first round. So first match is here 2 versus 3, and second match is here 4 versus 5. Third match is here 6 versus 7, and fourth match is here 9 versus 10, and then another match is here, fifth match, this is 11 versus 12. Then second round we can see the winner from here is playing with, here the team got bye in first round. So sixth match is here, seventh match is here, eighth match is here, ninth match is here, we can see. Then third round, the 10th match is here, the 11th number of matches here in second round. Then last final round, fourth round, in this one the final match is there, the team winning from upper half and team winning from the lower halves are meeting here. Then the winner will be, we can find the winner.